Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pie diagram in statistics. First, gather your data and ensure it's categorical, meaning it can be divided into distinct groups. Then, sum all your values to find the total. This total represents the entire pie. Next, list each category and its individual frequency or count. This preparation is crucial for accurate representation. Now, let's calculate the size of each slice. For every category, divide its frequency by the total frequency, then multiply by 100 to get its percentage. To determine the angle for each slice, multiply that percentage by 360 degrees. This ensures each slice accurately reflects its proportion of the whole circle. Always double-check that your angles add up to 360 degrees. With your angles calculated, it's time to draw. Start by using a compass to create a perfect circle, then mark its center and draw a straight line from the center to the edge, acting as your starting radius. Next, use a protractor to measure and draw each angle, starting from that radius. Draw a new line for each angle. Finally, label each slice with its category and corresponding percentage for easy understanding. To make your pie diagram truly effective, add a concise title that explains what the chart represents. Include a legend to clearly identify each colored or patterned slice. Consider ordering slices from largest to smallest for better comparison. Using contrasting colors enhances visual appeal and clarity. And speaking of great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. These final touches ensure your diagram is informative and easy to interpret.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.